Today guys, we're going to show you the old-fashioned hand drill versus the newfangled electric drill. Benjamin's going to do both of them. So what you do with the old hand drill, and this was the style that they had before they came up with electricity and things like that and batteries. In either case, you got to take this drill bit, you got to put it down into the chuck of the drill and tighten it down. So that's basically like 3 little fingers grabbing it and pulling it down nice and tight and holding it in place.
It does have like 3 fingers.
It's got the 3 fingers in there. Then when you're going to use this, you hold it like this, run it down in here, and just turn it until it drills a hole. So go ahead and drill a hole with an old-fashioned egg beater type hand drill. Can you imagine being the guy in the shop that was in charge of making pilot holes for everything? All he did all day long was drill holes like that? Okay, that's good enough. So you got a hole there. Now, we're going to compare and contrast that with the new modern day stuff. And one time, a long time ago, I was in this Amish cabinet maker shop, and he had egg beater drills like this. And he probably had 6 or 8 of them hanging on a wall and had different sized drill bits in every single one of them. So when he needed a different size hole, all he had to do was grab a different egg beater drill. He didn't have to change the bits out, so he saved himself a bunch of time that way. With the electric drill, you got the same kind of a chuck here, but we don't have to do it by hand. We can get it started by hand, but if you just put the drill in the chuck and then turn this up tight and hold it in place, that locks it right in there. So go ahead with this one, you pull the trigger here and you hold it like this and you just go down in there and make your hole. Let's see you make a hole with that one. The egg beater versus the battery power. Push down on it a little bit. And there you go, and you made your hole. Now hit the trigger again and pull it straight up and out of there. Make another one. Make another one just because you can. There you go. Back it out and set it down on the base. So right there you have it. 2 different size holes, 2 different drill bits. The old-fashioned egg beater versus the newfangled electric battery drill. Which one would you prefer to use?
I would use this one because you don't have to go and buy these,
you don't have to worry about it being charged and all that. So it kind of gets down to what project you're going to do and how many holes you want to make. If I had to make 100 holes, I'd be making them with that all day long.